Hello everyone, so welcome to Daks Import and Export Trading. We are at the manufacturing factory for oil press machine and we have this one. The good news about this machine is you don't need to roast the peanut or sesame, anything, any seed you can think of, you don't need to roast them. Oh,
很轻量的。
yeah.
对，大型的铸造企业全部都是自动化的。
哦，
这个都是自动化。对，这一块呢，这边呢这个车间是专门搞科研的、搞研究的。哦。我们那个主要设备都在德州呢，太远100多公里咱不要去了。
是的，
咱到这边看一看，看看榨油机，看我们总部。
People come along with me and let's visit the oil press manufacturing factory based in China. So we are in one of the remote areas where the factories are located, and this factory is specialized in manufacturing oil press machine. Touring all the factories here, and one of the machines I really love is the oil press machine and the peanut roasting machine. So this is the boss of the factory showing me around from production area to finished product. So you can see him showing me all what goes into production in this factory for them to be able to manufacture oil press machine. Just look at this hard-working woman working so hard to make sure that you can have oil press machine to start your own business. Yes, so this is just the production area as you can see and how they manufacture their products. So yeah, basically that is it. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This is my 100th factory I visited in the year 2025. My main goal is to visit all factories in China. So guys, come along with me and let's explore this factory together. So all this area is just the production area where he's showing me what goes into production before they are able to make the oil press machine. You know what? This machine can be used to extract oil from any seed you think contains oil. Any seed you think contains oil, this machine can extract oil from it. And one thing I love about this machine is it doesn't need any roasting. If you want to extract oil from groundnut, you don't need any roasting. This is cold pressed oil machine. So in this place he's showing me the most they use for all the production quality products, you see, as you can see. So stay around and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel. In the next video I'll be showing you how to operate the machine. We'll be showing you how to produce oil from seeds. Yes, in our next video I'll be showing you I learned how to manufacture oil from seeds like sunflower oil. I know so many of you have been eating sunflower oil. Today you can start your own brand. You can start your own brand by producing cooking oil in your own country. Don't be worried if you don't have sunflower. I'm sure you have groundnut, you have almond, you have sesame, you have like rapeseed. Any seed you think contains oil, you can use this oil press machine. People, so this is the oil press machine I was talking about. So you can see it. So this is the small size of the oil press machine. As I said, if you have little capital, don't worry, we have different sizes and different capacity. It's all about the amount you have and you can get your oil press machine. So you can see different sizes of you can see the groundnut there, oil there, where they have already produced oil from this groundnut. So what are you waiting for? Get this kind of machine and you can start producing cooking oil.
130就是生产量要大一点。
and all those stuff. And the man is explaining everything. So come along and let's listen to what the man is saying.
就是出不上卖。
对。
因为什么？因为它比较省事儿。
对。
不用炒制，生炸。一会儿我让你看。
哦，好的。
一会儿让你看啊。好的。生炸它就哗哗出油。
不用炒。
不用炒。
哦。
哎，这个好，是吧？
对，是的。
这是咱的专利，所以说我这个产品要在总部这边生产设计。哦。弄的，哎，啊。 这个整个的工艺都是自己弄，我不用外人，知道吧？对，怕这个技术泄露。对，
那小的。
哎，这小一点的。
哦，但是这个需要炒。
也不需要，
不需要炒
现在改了，现在改了，也
哦
不需要，
都不需要炒
都不需要，我的设备都不需要炒了，
哦
啊，全部都改掉了，
哦
哎，这个提升机啊什么都是自己生产，
哦
啊，哎，
哦
好。
cool. Hello everyone, so welcome to Daks Import and Export Trading. We are at the manufacturing factory for oil press machine, and we have this one. The good news about this machine is you don't need to roast the peanut or sesame, anything, any seed you can think of, you don't need to roast them. This will automatically roast everything and press the oil for you, and it's very, very affordable. You see, you can see several of them, several of the machines here. And they are the manufacturing factory. We have small, small ones as well. This is the big, big ones. Oh,
这是脱壳机，脱皮的，
oh, choppy.
脱皮机，
Oh.
哎，
So they have these ones as well.
对，
You can see. So you can see the peanuts, the groundnuts here.
你
I will
看
be
这
showing.
是这是我实际炸出来的油，
Oh,
很清亮的。
yeah.
这个看，这是我新研发的一种生产量1000斤每小时1000斤的，
哦
现在正在研发阶段。啊，大的，
对对对
生产量大，
对。
哎，
然后这个。Wow. So guys, this is the machine. You have seen it. Oh, 我想拍一下。